अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है कि पाकिस्तान में दहशतगर्दी की क्या वजूहात हैं, ये CSS और PMS का एक बहुत ही अहम टॉपिक है, इसको हम डिस्कस करते हैं। एज यू नो दैट पाकिस्तान हैज़ बिन फेसिंग अ वेव ऑफ टेररिज्म, sectarianism and extremism in our country. And if we go back in the history of Pakistan, it was 1979 when Russia attacked on Afghanistan and almost 30 million Afghan refugees that came to Pakistan. And let me clear one thing, Afghan have their own culture, their own values, their own traditions, and especially they are a very terrorist mindset, and they introduced the Pakistani culture with Kalashnikov culture. They also introduced the sectarianism violence, and they also introduced many mafias in Pakistan soil. And especially it was CIA, the Central Intelligence Agency of America, who created Taliban as a proxy war against Soviet Union, because after 1945 there was two superpower on the world. The one is Soviet Union and other is United States of America. So they are trying to degrade each other on the name of proxy war. So the American tried to defeated the Russian on Afghan soil. So they created Taliban to defeat the Russia. So it was 1988 when Russia defeated through the help of CIA and the Pakistan army, and they withdraw from Afghanistan through Geneva Accord. But after when Russia withdraw from Afghanistan, we use Taliban as a proxy war in occupied Kashmir. There are two types of Taliban. One is Afghan Taliban and other is Taliban Pakistan. Let me clear one thing about Afghan Taliban. Afghan Taliban, basically they are operating under the Afghan soil. They do not have agenda of any country except Afghan soil. But the Taliban Pakistan, they are sponsoring raw agent. They are sponsoring terrorist activities not only in Pakistan but also other areas of Pakistan. And these are the main reason they are trying to destabilize Pakistan. And especially if we want to control the terrorism in Pakistan, then we have to move that immigrants that came from Afghanistan in Pakistan, because they are trying to destabilize the Pakistan in the form of dollar currency, in the form of dollar mafia, in the form of smuggling, in the form of drug mafia. So basically these Afghan immigrants use Pakistan soil to use for terrorist activities and use for other activities. And especially if we want to make Pakistan a stable, a dynamic and vibrant Pakistan, then we have to take some tough decision to move these Afghanis to their soil, so that we can make our country a safe, a prosper एंड डायनामिक पाकिस्तान। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो आप इसे लाइक एंड शेयर करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।